Ever look in the mirror and think, I'm not overweight, but I'm not exactly fit either? You might be what's commonly known as skinny fat. It's that confusing middle ground where you have a normal weight, but lack muscle tone and carry extra fat in certain areas. So what should you do? Bulk up to gain muscle or cut down to lose fat? Let's start by understanding what skinny fat actually means. You might have a normal weight or even appear slim in clothes, but underneath, there's a higher body fat percentage and lower muscle mass. Common signs include lack of muscle definition, extra fat around the belly, hips, or thighs, feeling weak or lacking strength. This condition often results from a combination of factors: not engaging in strength training, consuming a diet low in protein, leading a sedentary lifestyle. But don't worry, recognizing this is the first step towards change. Now the big question, should you bulk or cut? Cutting means reducing your calorie intake to lose fat. While this might seem logical, if you don't have much muscle mass to begin with, cutting can make you look even slimmer without improving your physique. Bulking involves increasing your calorie intake to gain muscle. However, without proper training and nutrition, you might end up gaining more fat than muscle. So what's the solution? Body recomposition. Body recomposition is the process of simultaneously building muscle and losing fat. It's particularly effective for those new to strength training or returning after a break. Here's how to approach it. Strength training. Focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, push-ups, and rows. Aim for 3 to 4 sessions per week. Nutrition. Eat at maintenance calories or a slight deficit. Prioritize protein intake, about 0.8 to 1 gram per pound of body weight. Consistency. Progress takes time. Stay consistent with your workouts and nutrition. Remember, the goal isn't rapid weight loss or gain, but improving your body composition over time. Common pitfalls to avoid: overdoing cardio. Excessive cardio can hinder muscle growth. Incorporate it moderately. Neglecting protein. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth. Ensure you're consuming enough daily. Inconsistent training, sporadic workouts won't yield results. Stick to a regular schedule. Impatience. Changes won't happen overnight. Trust the process and stay committed. Monitoring your progress is crucial. Measurements. Track your waist, hips, and other areas monthly. Photos. Take progress photos every few weeks to visually assess changes. Strength gains. Note improvements in your workouts, like lifting heavier weights or performing more reps. Celebrate small victories along the way. They add up to significant transformations over time. Being skinny fat isn't a life sentence. With the right approach, you can build muscle, shed excess fat, and achieve a healthier, more defined physique. Remember, focus on strength training. Maintain a balanced, protein-rich diet. Stay consistent and patient. Your dedication will pay off. Ready to take your transformation to the next level? Discover how to build muscle effectively using just your body weight, making it perfect for anyone starting their recomposition journey without access to a gym. Click here to watch now and unleash your inner strength.